Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can draw a polygon shape in CorelDRAW. So let's dive into this. So guys, navigate to your document and then what you want to do is click into the polygon tool. If you don't see it, click into that small drop down menu here and choose polygon. You may also use the shortcut Y for that. Then position your polygon with your left mouse. You may also stabilize its dimensions by pressing and holding left shift. And now what you want to do is move it for example using the select tool, click into your polygon and then for example so like this, right? So move it here to this position and then you may of course scale it, skew it and so on and so forth, rotate. What you want to do that guys is double click into one of these nodes and now you have access to these controls here, right? So you may rotate the polygon, you may skew it by using this option here, left to right. You may also add more corners, let's say, or arms of that to that polygon. To do that, click into these options here and add as many as you like. And now it looks like this, for example, right? So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.